We are in the Lison vineyard today, a very special station of ICOS network. It is in a vineyard, 33 hectares in the Veneto region, which has roughly 100,000 hectares of vineyards.
The Lison station uses the eddy-covariance technique to monitor continuously 10 to 20 times per second the concentration of CO2 and water vapor together with the vertical speed of the wind. And through this in-time measurement, we can derive the net exchange of CO2 and water through this ecosystem. During the season, we collect samples and we have in the lab to analyze, quantify carbon, carbohydrate, and even chlorophyll content. At the end, the plants are experiencing extreme weather events in recent years. And thanks to this data, we are monitoring this trend. There is a season's difference where heat stress and water stress occurred and can be easily demonstrated through the data.
The station is in the vineyard of Sauvignon Blanc, but around of it there is the Glera. With the Glera we produce the most famous wine Prosecco, which is well known all over the world.
So when you think about agriculture, maybe you think about corn, maize, wheat, and all the field crops cannot be strong sinks because you very often plow, you have tillage very often, so the soil organic matter is very much disturbed. But here in this system you can see that the grass floor is keeping the carbon just steady and quiet. So you can really have some accumulation of carbon into the soil, and this is significant, and this is compensating what you release as CO2 during management.
A noi le misurazioni servono, sono importantissime riceverle, sia per la piovosità che per l'umidità, per constatare come si muovono le piante in un determinato clima, per scoprire i cambiamenti climatici, ma è tempestivo sapere se fino a mezzanotte del giorno prima è piovuto, quanto è piovuto, come ci dobbiamo comportare con le cure del vigneto. Assolutamente è una buonissima cosa avere la stazione qui, me lo chiedono anche dei colleghi per sapere. Poi credo che tutti debbano un po' contribuire per la ricerca, per capire questo cambiamento climatico, e più dati riusciamo ad ottenere meglio è per tutti. Avremo delle indicazioni corrette.
For sure, there is an increasing interest over carbon economy, even at the policymaker level. All the carbon exchanges and the market are starting to grow in terms of interest. So it is true that agriculture for years and years have been said it is a source. But with our measurement, I believe as first in Italy, but even at the world, over a vineyard, we provide the data that vineyards can be a sink.